Millions of Americans are bracing for a severe weather outbreak this weekend, with the threat of large hail-damaging winds and tornadoes stretching from Texas to Ohio. Cities like Dallas, Little Rock, Memphis, and Indianapolis are at risk, with the most intense storms expected Sunday afternoon and evening. In Texas, the Dallas-Fort Worth metroplex could see large hail and strong winds overnight, while Northeast Texas faces an even higher risk of tornadoes. Meanwhile, New York City is experiencing near-record warmth before a dramatic cooldown and potential severe storms with winds up to 60 miles per hour early next week. The National Weather Service urges residents to stay prepared, as conditions can change rapidly. Emergency officials recommend having a plan in place, securing outdoor items, and monitoring weather alerts as this dangerous system develops.